Is Aveola a scam, or is it a legit way to meet new people in 2026? Let me give you the inside scoop in less than 2 minutes. First, Aveola isn't just another random video chat app. It's actually designed to be safer than most of those old-school anything-goes sites. How? Every call starts with both screens blurred. You only see each other if both people agree to unblur. Plus, their AI moderation is actually impressive. It watches for inappropriate behavior in real time and steps in fast. And if you're worried about bots or catfish, the Aveola Club highlights verified users, so you know who you're really talking to. But here's where the scam rumors come in. Aveola uses a freemium model. Chatting is usually free, but if you want more than a quick 30-second video intro, you'll need tickets. Some people are caught off guard, thinking it's fully free, and then run into paywalls for things like video calls or advanced filters. Also, a few users have complained about canceling subscriptions. It's not Aveola itself, but the App Store or Google Play that can make it tricky sometimes. Let's talk features. Aveola stands out with real-time translation. No more awkward language barriers. There's a story feed, just like Instagram, and you can even live stream to a bigger audience. So, bottom line, Aveola is legit and has some cool safety tools, but you do need to pay for the full experience. If you're on the fence, here's my pro tip. Download the app, try the free trial, and see if it matches your vibe before dropping any cash. Stay smart, stay safe, and happy chat.